Hello students, today we will look the English of 4th standard, the lessons or the poem. Unit seconds, a child's thought. Now let's look at 7 when I go to bed, I find such a pictures in my head. Castles with dragons sprawling round, gardens where magic fruit are found. Fair lady prisoned in a tower or lost in enchanted bower, while gallant horsemen ride by streams that border all this land of dream. I find so clearly in my head at 7 when I go to bed. In this first stanza, the poet want to say, okay, first I want to take the poet of these poems, R.L. Stevenson. R stand for the Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, Robert Louis Stevenson. This poet wrote these poems, The Child Thought. In this first stanza, the poet want to say, Stevenson, the poem is about the imagination power of the children. Here is a small child. When he go to bed, he is imagine how the dreams comes. The 7 goes to bed. When child go to at 7 o'clock to bed, we read, I find such a pictures in my head. The child dreams imagination skins as a castles, dragons, garden with the magic fruit garden and tower with imprisoned lady. Here is not available. I will show you the pictures. And the child imagine lands as it is where the real place with the distinct of this first stanza in this. In Hindi I will tell. जब बच्चा छोटा बच्चा है, जब वो 7 बजे सोने जाता है तो सोने समय उसके जब सोता है उसे ड्रीम में इमेजिन क्या करता है, एक बहुत बड़ा शीश महल टाइप कास्टल्स, उसके पास ड्रैगन घूम रहा है, ऐसे वो इमेजिन करता है. और यही प्रिजन यही कास्टल पर 2 लेडीज़ रहती है जो जेल में बंद हुई, ऐसा उसको इमेजिन होता है. वहीं पर एक बहुत बड़ी नदी दिखती है, झरनों का पानी दिखता है और वही झरनों में कौन आदमी है ना हॉर्स राइडिंग कर रहा है, ऐसा वो बच्चा इमेजिन करता है. एट 7 व्हेन आई वेक अप अगेन, जब वो 7 बजे फिर उठता है, द मैजिक लैंड आई सीक इन वैन, अ चेयर स्टैंड वेयर एट द कास्टल फ्रंट, द कारपेट हाइड्स द गार्डन ग्राउंड. No fairy strip across the floor, boots and not horsemen flank the door, and where the blue stream's rippling ran is now a bath and water can. I seek the magic land in vain at 7 when I wake up again. जब बच्चा 7 बजे के बाद फिर उठता है तो क्या बोलते हैं? इन द सेकंड स्टांजा द पोयम is about how the magic disappears when the child wake up. Then the magic of land I seek when जब बच्चा 7 बजे के बाद उठता है तो उसे है ना जो सपने में दिखा है वो सब इनविजिबल और डिसअपियर हो जाता है. तब वो क्या सोचता है, जो चेयर रखी है चेयर को वो समझता है एक कास्टल. चेयर स्टैंड फॉर वेयर कास्टल्स, एंड जो कारपेट रहता है नीचे का दिस कारपेट, वो उस कारपेट को मैजिक गार्डन इमेजिन करता है. सॉरी, वहाँ पर जो लेडीज़ रहती है वो डिसअपियर हो जाती है. और जो बूट्स रहते हैं, उस घर में जो बूट रखे हैं वो उस बूट को क्या समझता है, हॉर्समैन के बूट है, और वो दरवाज़ा बंद करके चला गया है. ब्लू स्ट्रीम राइपलिंग रैन, और जो उसके बाथरूम में जो ऐसे कैन रखी है उसको वो समझता है झरना, और जो बाथटब में पानी है उसको वो समझता है नदी. ऐसे जब वो बच्चा उठता है तो ऐसा इमेजिन करने लगता है. जब सोता है तो उसके सपने में ऐसे इमेजिनेशन रियल आता है, बट जो वो उठता है तो उसको जो अपने घर में जो थिंग्स रखे उसे उसमें कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. लाइक दिस पोयम wrote by the Robert Louis Stevenson. I hope you have might understand this poem. New words. Dragons, a large fire breathing creature. ऐसे ड्रैगन है जिसके मुंह में से फायर निकलती है. Prowls, to roam, move around like a wild animal, search prey foods. Prowl means to wandering or to roamings. Enchant means to cast a spell, someone or something delights. Means तलाश करना कुछ. Bower, a shady leaf shelter means एक साथ रहते हैं like bushes types. Gallants means brave or honorable. Shurveer, in vain without any success means niswart or the unsuccessful like. Flanks, to be the side of someone or something. Okay, this is all about the new words. Now make sentences with prowling, enchant and gallant. Prowling means to find or roaming or wandering for the prey. Means शिकार के लिए तलाश करना. We have to write here sentence. Now look at, I wrote here lion prowling about the continually follow prey. Means to cast on someone. Okay. Now let's write here one sentence. Now look at, enchant even the most experienced traveler. Okay. Now next is gallant. Gallant means the honorable or the brave. Now let's write here. The new fighters behaves gallantly under the fire. Okay. You can write with the, you can take these words and you can make another sentence except this. Okay. Homework. Now let answers. What does the child imagine when he goes to bed 7 p.m.? Complete the line. Okay. Post meridiem. AM means anti meridiem and post meridiem. Okay. जब बच्चा रात को 7 बजे सोता है, जब जाता है बेड पर, तो उसको क्या इमेजिन करता है. Now let's learn castles first. He imagined castle with dragons sprawling round. Now next is gardens. Gardens where magic fruits are found. Now fair ladies. Fair lady prison in a tower or lost in enchanted bower. Gallant horseman. Gallant horseman ride by streams. Okay, it's all about there when the child imagines or go to bed at 7 p.m. He imagine like this. Now second question is here, what does the child find in a place of the following things in the morning? When the child wake up at 7 p.m. then how he imagines castles convert into the what? Like rivers convert into what? Now we have to write here. Okay, we know that when child wake up, look at here. Chairs stand when castle fronts. Castle ko he imagine the castle is chairs. Okay, now we can write there. Castle they imagine when he woke up. Castle convert the chairs. Bathtub or the water can. The garden imagine when he woke up into the bed. Carpet, horseman, boots convert. Okay, like this he imagines when he woke up into the bed. Now look at here. A and is the articles A. We know that A before words beginning with the all consonants except silent H means the words start with the consonant. We have to apply in front of this word A. Okay, you know that consonant except vowels. Okay, a young man, a knock, like this. But before a word that begins with U when sound like a U means we have to when we pronunciation the words, we have to also remember very well the sounds start from is what. Okay, means here is university pronunciations. Okay, unions means sound like U. Here you also applied the A. Okay, before a word that begins with U and has a long U sounds, like example Europeans. A Europeans means long sound U. Okay, used for before words that begin with vowel, example and umbrella and igloo. Vowels, we know that A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowels. When the words start with the vowels, we have to apply in front of these words and, like an umbrella and igloo. Before words that H the silence. We are not reading like that. Honor, honest. We are reading like this. Honor, honest, and honor an honest man. Okay, now on the basis of this, now we have to solve this. Fill A and complete this sentence. Mishti ate dash egg and dash cutlet for her breakfast. Now here look at egg is what? Vowel or consonant? Now we can apply here and. Mishti ate an egg and cutlet. Cutlet. C stand for consonant. Cutlet. Okay. Mishti ate an egg and a cutlet for her breakfast. Okay. Now next. I saw dash ostrich and iguana dash at a game park. Now ostrich. We know that. Vowels. We can apply here and. Iguana is also vowel. I saw an ostrich and an iguana at a game park. Okay. Now here you have to this homework 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You have to apply A and only C. Basis of this. Okay. Now here is one cues. The fourth month of the A, we have to write from the start with the words A. Okay. Remember very well. The fourth month of the year. We know that the fourth month of the year is what? January, February, March, April. Now we can write here April. Okay. Shot from the bow is archery. Part of the body between shoulder and hand is called as the arm. Nut from an oak tree, we know that almond. Part of the day following morning is afternoon. Book for stamps or photos, album. 26 letters from A to Z is called as alphabets. Fruit to keep the doctor away, we know that apple. We know that an apple keeps the doctor away. Reply to questions is answer. Not sleeping, awake. Tool to chop, like this. Equipment is called as the axe. We breathe this air. Sportsman, athletic. Prize, award. This whole letters start with the cues A. Okay.